Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to request a loan modification in Lendio. If you're struggling with payments or you need new terms, a loan modification may help. Here's how to request it in Lendio. First, log into your Lendio dashboard. Then go to your active loan section. There, just select the loan that you want to modify. Now click Request Loan Modification or just contact support if it's not visible. Provide details about your situation, for example, your financial hardship, request for reduced payments or extended terms. You're going to need to upload supporting documents such as tax returns, financial statements, or proof of hardship. Once you have that done, submit your modification request and Lendio forwards your request to the lender for review. All you got to do now is wait for lender feedback. This may take several days to several weeks. Now, if approved, you can review and sign the new loan terms. A quick tip is to be proactive. Request a modification before missing payments because this is going to help you to improve approval chances. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.